Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for developers in 2025, VS Code versus WebStorm. Which one should you pick for your coding adventures? I'm excited to break this down step by step, so you can make an informed decision without the hassle. Let's start with the basics. VS Code, or Visual Studio Code, is that lightweight, free editor from Microsoft that's become a favorite for its speed and flexibility. It's open source, which means a massive community keeps it updated with tons of extensions for everything from debugging to AI-assisted coding. In 2025, with AI integrations like GitHub Copilot evolving, VS Code is supercharged for rapid development across languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript. Now, let's talk about WebStorm. This bad boy from JetBrains is a paid IDE specifically built for web development, especially JavaScript and TypeScript projects. It's packed with smart features like advanced refactoring tools, built-in debugging, and seamless integration with frameworks like React or Angular. But here's the catch, it's not free, and it can be a resource hog compared to VS Code, which might slow you down on older machines. So, how do they stack up? Let's compare key areas. First, cost. VS Code is completely free, while WebStorm requires a subscription, making it a no-brainer for budget-conscious devs. Performance-wise, VS Code boots up in seconds and runs smoothly on most setups, whereas WebStorm might demand more RAM for its feature set. On features, WebStorm shines in web-specific tools, like automatic code completion and error detection that's almost psychic, but VS Code catches up with the right extensions. Ease of use is another factor. VS Code has a gentler learning curve with its customizable interface, perfect for beginners or solo projects. WebStorm, however, is ideal for enterprise teams needing robust collaboration and built-in version control. In 2025, with remote work still booming, both support great remote capabilities, but VS Code's marketplace makes it easier to adapt. Ultimately, if you're a solo developer or working on diverse projects, VS Code might be your best bet for its versatility and cost. But for intensive web development in a team, WebStorm's polished experience could save you time and headaches. The choice depends on your needs. Test both out if you can. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your go-to editor? Drop it in the comments below.